In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the constraints menu in a sketch. So first, we're going to start a sketch, and then we're going to take a look at what constraints we want to show you here. So in the constraints menu, we've got a bunch of we'll just go down the list and show you how all these work. So first of all, horizontal, vertical. Let's say I drew something that I want to straighten out to be horizontal and vertical. I just click on the horizontal vertical and then click on the line, and it's now horizontal or vertical. Next, the coincident one. Let's say I want to draw a rectangle over here, but I actually want that corner to line up with that corner. Coincident. Click, and it connects those two right there. Tangent is my next constraint. If I put a circle over here, but I want the edge of that circle to touch that line, that's a tangent constraint. Tangent, circle, line, done. Equal, I'm going to skip for now. Parallel is easier to understand. L for line. And let's say I want this line to be parallel to that line. I click the parallel, click, and they are parallel. Perpendicular. L for line, slightly off angle. I'm going to now make this perpendicular to this and this perpendicular to that. If you want to delete a constraint at any time, hit escape on your keyboard, click on the constraint, and hit delete. And now I can go back to moving these things so that they actually have a different angle between them. Oh, that's horizontal, vertical. Delete that. D for dimension, and let's actually make this one be 80 degrees. And now it changes the angle like that. But this constraint is still here. All right, fix, unfix, I'm going to skip for now. Midpoint, I'm going to skip for now. Concentric is an easy one to show. I'm going to draw two circles, and I'm going to make sure that they have the same center by clicking concentric. Circle, circle, they lock in place like that. Collinear means same line. So if I have this line here and this line here, I want them to be both parallel and in the same line. I can use collinear, click, click, and now they share that line like that, even though they can move side to side. I'm going to skip symmetry and curvature for now. And in fact, I think that's all the ones that I want to show you today.